Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix the Shopify payment error not working. So let's go to the live website. So just click online store, click view your store so that we can open the live Shopify website. And for example, I will check out this item right here in my cart. And when we go here, we have this, but when we scroll down, the payment says this store can accept payments right now. So I can't really go on with my order. So the simple problem that this has is that you don't have your settings for your payments. So you just need to set up the settings for your payments right here so that this will be available so that we can fix it. So let's just go back here and then go to settings, go to payments, and then as you can see right here, there is no payment provider that is set up in my Shopify website. So you just need to have a payment method right here and activate it. If you don't want to have payment providers, you can have manual payment methods right here. So for example, you can have cash on delivery, money order, bank deposit, or create a custom payment method. So if you just want to have an online payment, you just need to have a payment provider. So I could just choose a provider right here, and then you can see some different payment providers right here. So if you don't have the payment provider that you want, you can either search for them right here. So maybe like Bitcoin, so it doesn't show up right here. So sometimes it also depends on what kind of country your Shopify is set up. But you should see a lot of different payment providers right here depending on your country. So if you just want to test out the payment page, you can just have this one, the Bogus Gateway. So this is for testing. So you can turn this on and then activate it so that you can simulate what happens when you order on your website. For example, let's go back here, go to the online store again, and then when I check out, we should now have the payment right here. When we scroll down to the payment, you can see right here a credit card that you can use for the Bogus Gateway. So if you want to have your payment provider right here, just go ahead, go back right here to payments, and then go ahead and choose a specific provider that you want to use. So you can just click change provider, choose another provider, and then go ahead and use them right here. You can also have additional payment methods right here. For example, PayPal. What you need to do is that you just need to activate it and then insert your login information. Or you can also click add payment method so that you can go ahead and search for different payment methods right here. So for example, this is where now we can search for Bitcoin right here or some other different payment methods right here. And then that is basically it. So just go ahead and insert your settings for your payment method so that you can fix the problem in your payment page. And then that is basically it. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.